Let's face it, these long and complex tour links are difficult to remember, even for you. How can you expect your customers to recall them? Introducing Panooe's custom domain feature, trusted by over 5,000 users. With a custom domain, your virtual tour becomes easier to remember and share, leaving a lasting impression on your audience and strengthen your brand identity. Ready to get started? Let's go! Step 1. Activate your custom domain feature. Once you have activated the feature, you can enter your domain name in the box. Please note that you need to buy a domain name from a domain provider before you can use it on Panoee. Some prominent providers include Namecheap and GoDaddy. Click Save and Apply button to move to Step 2. Access your domain provider site and create a DNS record. Depending on each provider, you will have some different ways to verify it. After verifying your domain, you need to check it with dnschecker.com. The reason is to be sure that the domain has the same value as the DNS record. After a few times refresh, you will see it has the same value. This is the last step. All you need to do is click on the Connect button on Panoee and wait for a message that says you did it. Yay! You have set up your custom link. Now, you can share your tour with your custom link and wow your viewers. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on creating and sharing stunning virtual tours with Panoee.